bank index has been surging on the back of news flow that the government might exceed their target of 25% profit growth in FY23. And if you're wondering why all of these stocks are up and about, Sapna is joining in to tell us more on what she's picking up. Sapna, over to you.
Well, these are indications that have come in now and somewhere around now. So 25% over 66,000 crores of PAT FY22, that will give you a figure of around 82,000 crores. But there is expectation, there is hope within government circles that maybe 1 lakh crore could be feasible in the current financial year itself. Maybe if not 1 lakh crore, at least around close to that number. So it could be around 95,000 crores anywhere in that region. That's what we're given to understand as of now. The banks are also well capitalized as of now. The crowd is pretty healthy. So obviously, even if you look at the trend in the last 2 financial years, there hasn't been any recap, so to speak, any big recap that has been done by the government. So maybe they're completely out of the woods finally. But last but not the least, the point here is also this, that interest rates, high interest rates could also have an impact. So maybe that will come and kick in with a lagged effect. You cannot say whether this will be in the last quarter of the current financial year or this could actually come in somewhere around the new financial year, first quarter maybe. But there could be a lagged impact of high interest rates on bank balance sheets. So that's the counter that we have to watch out for. But as of now, it's a very positive commentary coming in from government circles.
Positive commentary indeed, Sapna, and as a result of which we have seen the big rally that we are in the PSU bank space.